Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you that we are traveling from Kolkata airport to New York, that is JF Kennedy, and we are flying in Emirates from Kolkata all the way to New York. We have a halt at Dubai. So today in this video I will share with you every details about our flight, about all the details that I will go through. I will share how the flight is, how the food is, how the service is of Emirates, as well as about the luggage allowances. All of you have many questions regarding luggage allowances, so in this video I am exclusively going to share with you my true experience which I have faced. Along with that, you will get all the details about the Emirates flight which fly from Kolkata to New York, which is JF Kennedy Airport. So in Emirates, the flight from Kolkata to New York JF Kennedy Airport, baggage allowance, check-in baggage allowance was 46 kgs. That was divided into two suitcases. Like you can carry two luggages up to 23 kg each. So we took two luggage, two suitcase. In one we had 23 kg, another we had 23 kg, and that is for one person only. After that, when it came to hand luggages, I had a separate experience from the flights that I have taken from Singapore to India. That is, all of the things that you are carrying along with you as a carry-on, which may be a laptop or your camera or whatever it is a backpack or your handbag. Everything is going to be counted within the 7 kilo luggage allowances, hand luggage allowances. So make sure you are not carrying your hand luggage separately as a hand luggage and then separate backpack with your laptop and your purse. Everything should be within 7 kg, and you should carry only one bag as your carry-on bag. Along with that, you can also carry a purse if you are a female, but still everything will be counted under 7 kg. So make sure that you go according to these rules, or else we had to shuffle our luggage at the airport. Luckily we had some space in our check-in luggage, so that's why we could shift some items which we had in our handbag into the check-in baggage. I also wanted to tell you that till today you have seen me in Singapore, and this is a new beginning, and I will keep creating videos which will entertain you as well as be helpful for you. And we are shifting to USA. So today is 8th of February. So 9th of February we will be reporting from New Jersey, USA. So stay tuned and see all the details and enjoy this video. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments below. Our Emirates flight from Kolkata will start at 8:20 p.m. and we will land in Dubai at around 12:30 at midnight. And after that, from Dubai we will have a halt for around 2 hours, and at around 2:30 at night, 2:30 a.m. the flight to JF Kennedy will start, and next day morning at 8:30 we will reach to JF Kennedy. That is on 9th. So that's it about the timing of the flight. If anybody is traveling to New York recently or to other parts of USA, let me know in the comments below. So you have to pass through the immigration in India as well at the airport, and they asked my husband that what is the purpose of going over there in the USA. They also asked me exclusively that why I am going. So I said I am going with him as his family and as a dependent. So no other questions were asked. So we have got a pillow, and then we have a blanket here, and then we have this headphone. The seats are like this, it's spacious.
Needed, lights at floor level will direct you to the nearest exit. Please remove high-heeled shoes and leave all baggage behind if evacuating. To remind yourself of the safety features of this aircraft, please read the safety card in the seat pocket.
What did you get?
Huh?
What did you get?
I got a backpack and a coloring book.
Wow, are you happy? So this was the first food that was served to us. This was as our dinner, and while we were booking our flight, we have mentioned that we need Hindu meals. So everything over here is according to Hindu meals. Here is a little packet of snacks, some mouth fresheners. This is a wet tissue, and it's a chocolate. And after we had finished our dinner, you can see that this is that starry sky which we can see, and it's really very nice. And it's almost time to land in Dubai, and let me tell you that after this food was served, another drinks was served in the middle. So yeah, it was midnight, I could not take a photograph. And beautiful is Dubai. This is just mesmerizing. Look at the colors, the hues, even at midnight in the city.
Emirates. Emirates. That is.
So we have reached to Dubai, and the time in India is 1:30 at night, and from here we have our connecting flight at 2:30 Dubai time. There are several security checkpoints at Dubai airport, so be ready for that. The 2 hour 30 minutes layover at Dubai is worth, because you won't be able to do anything else rather than your security check and finding the gate, because we were dropped at Terminal A, and from here we had to go to Terminal C, for which we had to take a bus. So that took us around 5 minutes. The bus ride took us around 5 minutes. So through these transitions and checking of your hand luggage and yourself, the security checks, it will take a lot of time. By the time you reach your gate, it will be the time for the flight to depart. We have to go to A2.
Yeah.
And we are at C right now.
We don't know.
Papa knows. So right now we are going to our connecting flight. We have reached Dubai, and from here we will take our flight to JF Kennedy. So there is a 2 hours layover over here. We had to go through double check-in process over here, so make sure you're not wearing too much of jewelries, because I had to remove all my bangles and everything which I was having. So yeah, this is something. And any hand luggage you are carrying, make sure it has wheels, because this is a big place. You have to take a bus and walk a lot, so if your luggage does not have wheels, you have to suffer. So currently we are in our second flight to JF Kennedy Airport to New York. We have boarded the flight from Dubai, and it will depart from here at 2:20 a.m. in the morning, and we will reach at around 8:15 a.m. in the morning local time, which will be New Jersey time. So yeah, I have shared all the experience for the previous flight, but just to tell you that it is a long walk. There will be checking of your hand luggage for 4 to 5 times in Dubai itself, so be ready for that. We started, we were given dinner another time, and after that we got a pizza with a cold drinks as a snack. So this is the Hindu meal which we have got for the breakfast here. There is one omelette, one sabzi, and I think these are kind of fries, croissant. This one is a coconut milk and stuff like that. A biscuit is here, butter, and I think this is cheese. A mixed bowl of fruits. We have finally completed our 14 hours of flight. The total number of hours we have flied is 22 hours from Kolkata to New York. Whatever happened at New York immigration, I will provide all the information in another video, so keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. From New York we took a taxi and we are traveling to New Jersey, where we are going to stay. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all, and it's a new beginning. Take care. Bye bye.